This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Number 9, a powerful thought organizing principle. So this one's simple. It's almost simple. It's almost too simple, if you will, but it's going to help you get more done, help you get everything off your mind. It's to write it down rather than having 10, 20, 100 things on your mind circulating, constantly going through it. If you write it down, it helps it get off your mind. You get it off your mind, you don't have to deal with it anymore. You don't have to constantly remember it. I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. If you put it on paper, you record it, your mind can now go and deal with other issues. Now, I've been there before. I'm sure you've been there before, where you have 3 things to do. So your mind constantly cycles through that. Okay, number 1, I need to do this. Number 2, I need to do this. Number 3, I need to do this. And then 30 minutes later, your mind does the same thing. Okay, number 1, I need to do this. Number 2, I need to do this. Number 3, I need to do this. But by writing it down, you're allowing for more mental space. You don't have to think about it anymore. It's written down. You're going to do it. It's recorded. You don't have to try and spend energy, time, and attention by thinking about this other thing. Now, if that's not good enough for you to write it down, have a pen and paper, constantly write things down as they come to you. There is another technique called mind mapping, where you can get a large number of ideas, a large complex system out of the way ASAP, so you don't have to deal with it. Now I'm going to walk you through a mind mapping example here, so you can benefit from this as well. So this is the mind mapping software that I like and I enjoy the most. It's called mindmup.com, mindmup.com. It's going to pull up this. Let's go ahead and create a new map. Let's just do public open map, okay? And now we can start actually making and branching out. Let's say we were to break down, let's do productivity, okay? Then insert a child. Okay, so what goes into productivity? Time. What else goes into productivity? Time, energy. What else? Let's see. Time, energy, and attention. So we can start breaking this down. It starts to get better and better as we add more children, add more siblings, add more parents. That's what it's all called in the mind mapping. So attention, how do we help with attention? Let's do mind mapping, okay? How else do we help with attention? No distractions, so on and so forth. So we can mind map an entire concept, entire tree, and within minutes we have a nice mental picture